Alright, and we're back, and so got these from the wrecking yard, and so now we're going to go ahead and put them up in here. Let's see if we open this up real quick. Everything drop out, but if you see in the back, it's there. It's a whole bunch of leaves and stuff like that. The first thing we're going to do is get the shop vac. We're going to clean all that out. Let's do that. Alright, so now that we got that all vacuumed out and cleaned up, move some of this stuff out the way. We went and got another part today too. Alright, now we just sit down and we can go ahead and put these filters up in there. So you can see now, there's no more leaves and all that stuff in there. Nice and clean. Alright, so with these filter holders, they tell you on there which way the airflow is. As you can see, the arrow's pointing down. And then on the side of the cabin filter, there's an arrow there, and it shows you which way the airflow is going down. I'm going to try to, well, I tell you what, I'm going to stop recording. I can't do two things at once, holding this camera and this, so I'm going to put these in and then I'm going to put them in. You can see that. Alright, haha, got them in, nice and clean. Didn't have these before, so now we just insert them in, and it says on the covers, one is A and one is B. So this one right here is B because it slides over and it stops right there. And then A goes in there right next to it. And then we have the door that goes on. So that closes everything off. Let's see, I got it right. Yes, I did. Okay. There we go. Alright, so now that's nice and sealed, locked tight. It's got its new air filters in, and so basically we just put the glove box back and the tabs on the side of the door, and that completes that.